Okay, this video is going to go over how to create the Minecraft pig feet. Okay, so if we look, it's just basically a bunch of rectangular cubes put together. So if we were to break this apart here and ungroup it, you'll see there it's just these two things here. So that's what we're going to have to create. Okay, and so let's go ahead and start this. So first thing, snap to grid. We kind of want to get rid of this and make sure it's at least off so that way we can easily move them to next to each other. Okay, the other thing we're going to do is we're going to bring this box over here, and then we're also going to bring in the ruler because we're going to try to keep it as similar as we can to the other thing. So once we got this ruler here, when I click on this here, here's our measurement, 6 by 6.4. If you really want it, probably can just make it easy, 6 by 6. So let's go ahead and set this up. Here, in this one here, it's 6. And then the other length here is by, and we're looking for the other one that's a height. Where's our width? Oh, here it is, 6. Okay, so see how I just did that? And we shrunk it down. If we look at our height here is 10. And so this one, we want to make our height here, get this out of the way, as also 10. Okay, there we go. Now, the next thing we need to make is the other one parts here. Now, to do this color, we're going to go ahead and change it to that pink here, and I think it's that pink right there. And then we're going to go ahead and bring another one down. Obviously, in this case, we can see, if we look at those there, if I go and ungroup this, we can see that this here, measurements are 4.4.5. So we can go ahead and do 4 if we want to. There we go. And then the other part here, the width, this looks like 1.69. We could just do by 2. Or actually, really, this one we could make it 1. So let's go ahead and make this one nice and 1 because we don't really need to go that far. Okay, so there we go. And then the height for this is 3. So let's make this 3. Okay, the last and final thing is the width of these. So if I ungroup this for each of these here, each of these guys is about 1.8. We can go ahead and put 1.8 if we want to, or even 2 will be fine too. Okay, now the color we did for this is, you notice it's a deeper purple, and this is one right here. That's the color we did. Now, the cool thing is we can go and bring this up over here, and then we're just going to click on this one and then click the duplicate, and it duplicates it. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and drag that over there. Okay, now to highlight these two, you can do a couple things. You can go and click like this, and I took my mouse and clicked, or if you hold down your shift key, you click on both of them and it'll select both of them. So you have 2 ways. Just make sure that you only select those, and then we're going to use this align, not mirror, my fault, align. I'm going to click that center one, and there you go, it's centered. Okay, now what I can do is I can click on both of these. So you want to make sure both are selected. You can either just draw a square, just make sure you don't accidentally see how I selected the foot there. We're doing the toes, and then I'm just going to click on the group. Now it's one piece. Now what I can do is go ahead and bring this over, drag it in to the height we want, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these by either holding shift, or you can just go and drag and make a square, selects all of them. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and align, and I'm just going to center this there. And then click the grouping and group. Now, because it's all pink, if I want to make it multicolor, you just click on that multicolor and it changes back. And there you go. Okay, so now that's the foot. Now, remember, this is all should be done on the same one with the pig. It's not all separate. Okay, but I'm just doing this all separate. So if we look here, same thing here. We put this all together. Oops, let me undo that real quick. So as you can see, we have our pig feet all taken care of. You only need to worry about making one right now. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.